Deleting a Webflow site permanently removes it from your account and cannot be undone. Here's how to delete a Webflow site. Log into Webflow. Access your Webflow account and navigate to your dashboard. Select the site. Click on the site you want to delete from the list of projects in your dashboard. Go to Site Settings. In the site's dashboard, click on the settings icon located in the left sidebar. Access General Settings. Under the General tab of the site settings, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Delete Site. Locate the Delete Site option at the bottom right corner of the page. Click on Delete Site and confirm your action by typing Delete in the confirmation box. Confirmation. After confirming, Webflow will permanently delete your site. All project files, backups, and associated content will be irreversibly removed. Follow up. Ensure that any custom domains associated with the site are also removed or redirected to avoid any issues. Verify deletion. Check your dashboard to confirm that the site has been successfully deleted. The site should no longer appear in your list of projects.